We're here at the Ōmishima Family Mart getting some nice hot coffees. We're gonna go look for some cherry blossoms. This is actually one of my favorite views of my favorite Shimanami Kaido bridge, the Tatara Bridge, which connects Ikuchijima to our island, Ōmishima. This is actually a really nice campground here at the foot of the Tatara Bridge. You can see these trees aren't in full bloom yet, but we've got a nice view of Tatara Bridge peeking over the top right there. This is the main road on the way to our guest house. We've got a nice line of cherry trees here. These ones are later bloomers. They're a little bit behind many of the other cherries on the island. This building on the corner, this is our friends and neighbors that operate Tonari Guesthouse. And if you turn here and head towards our house and guest house, look at these lovely cherry trees. They're definitely much closer to full bloom. Wave to our house as we drive by. We're gonna take a trip across to the other side of the island. Deciduous, conifer, cherry blossom, bamboo, and the islands even have palm trees here. When we first arrived on Ōmishima Island just over 2 years ago, one of the first people we met brought us here to see this very special cherry tree. This is one of the smaller shrines on the island, but this weeping willow style cherry tree is a real stunner. You can see they have these support sticks in place that are going to help those branches stay strong. Well, here on Ōmishima, we love both of our konbinis equally, so we stopped here at the Lawson as well to get another coffee while we continue to hunt for cherry blossoms. I think we're just shy of full bloom, but this is still very beautiful. This would be a cute place to have a picnic. Charmander? Huh, it is Charmander. Is this one Miffy? I thought this would be a nice ending to my cherry blossom video here. We are doing a nighttime cherry blossom viewing at our friend and neighbor's restaurant here. This is her cherry tree, looking quite lovely. But I've got to go. The dinner party awaits. We've invited our guest house guests up tonight, and there are some other friends on the island here as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hi, Sumi.